తన్వి టేబుల్స్ చెప్పినానా?
ఎక్కడి నుంచి మమ్మీ?
ఫస్ట్ టేబుల్ నుంచి 10 వరకు చెప్పు. వచ్చా 10 వరకు? చెప్పు.
1 1 is 1, 1 2 is 2, 1 3 is 3, 1 4 is 4, 1 5 is 5, 1 6 is 6, 1 7 is 7, 1 8 is 8, 1 9 is 9, 1 10 is 10. దాని తర్వాత 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, 2 10 is 20. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 10 is 30. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 6 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32, 4 9 is 36, 4 10 is 40. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 is 40, 5 9 is 45, 5 10 is 50. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 53, 6 10 is 60. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 40, 42, 7 8 is 49, 7 9 is 72, 7 10 is 70. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 36, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 54, 8 7 is 54, 8 8 is 63, 8 9 is 72, 8 10 is 80. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 32, 9 5 is 40, 9 6 is 48, 9 7 is 52, 9 8 is 72, 9 9 is 81, 9 10 is 90. 10 1 is 10, 10 2 is 20, 10 3 is 30, 10 4 is 40, 10 5 is 50, 10 6 is 60, 10 7 is 70, 10 8 is 80, 10 9 is 90, 10 10 is 100.
చెప్పమ్మా.
Thank you for watching. If you like, share.